AMSOIL 10W-40 100% synthetic dirt bike oil. AMSOIL, the premier manufacturer of synthetic motorcycle lubricants, focuses on improving lubricant performance so riders can focus on improving their performance on the trail or track. That's why AMSOIL is the choice of professional riders and weekend warriors everywhere. AMSOIL synthetic dirt bike oil's superior friction durability properties help minimize clutch slippage, fade and chatter, giving riders consistent clutch feel during takeoffs or when maneuvering around obstacles on the trail. In an extreme simulated start test, AMSOIL synthetic dirt bike oil continued to deliver consistent clutch feel following 32 simulated race starts, while a leading original equipment manufacturer, OEM branded oil demonstrated inconsistent clutch lever action and poor clutch feel after 16 starts. The clutch plates lubricated with AMSOIL synthetic dirt bike oil remained clean and in good overall condition, while the plates using the OEM oil revealed discoloration and wear. AMSOIL synthetic dirt bike oil's superior performance helps instill in riders the confidence that their bikes will perform consistently in all types of riding conditions. Protects against wear. AMSOIL synthetic dirt bike oil withstands high RPM operation, extreme heat and mechanical shear. Its synthetic base oils naturally resist viscosity loss and provide a protective film against wear to gears, bearings and pistons. Its anti-wear additives provide an extra measure of protection, promoting long component life to help riders get the most out of their bikes. AMSOIL dirt bike oil benefits include: delivers confidence in clutch feel, superior protection against gear, bearing and piston wear, maximizes horsepower, helps extend clutch life. AMSOIL synthetic dirt bike oil underwent extensive on-track testing in the bikes of professional riders. A combination of racer feedback and lab testing allowed AMSOIL to fine-tune AMSOIL synthetic dirt bike oil for outstanding wear protection and consistent clutch feel benefits riders demand. Applications: use 10W-40 synthetic dirt bike oil in dirt bikes that require 10W-40 motorcycle oil, including those made by Honda, Yamaha, Kawasaki, Suzuki and Husqvarna. Recommended for separate sump applications, including the Honda CRF, and many two-stroke dirt bikes. Get yours today. To order, follow the link in the description, become an AMSOIL preferred customer, add a 6-month or 1-year preferred customer membership to your card and save up to 25% on today's order. Thanks, have a great day.